Article 1795. The risk of specific and determinate things which are not fungible contributed to the partnership so that only their use and fruits may be for the common benefit shall be borne by the partner who owns them. If the things contribute are fungible or cannot be kept without deteriorating, or if they were contributed to be sold, the risk shall be borne by the partnership. In the absence of stipulation, the risk of the things wrought and appraised in the inventory shall be borne by the partnership, and in such case the claim shall be limited to the value at which they were appraised. So in the Article 1795 of the Civil Philippine Code deals with the allocation of risk in a partnership for specific and determinate things.
This article from the Civil Code discusses who bears the rest of loss or damage to property contributed to a partnership. It is essential boiled down to whether the property is fungible or non-fungible. Ang example ani sa non-fungible is, if si partner A nag-contribute og vintage car sa partnership para gamiton as a rental, and then ang car is unique and dili dali mailisdan. And if ang car is nadaot or na-damage, si partner A nga owner gihapon ang mag-bear sa rest dili ang partnership. And then ang sa fungible example is, si partner B is nag-contributes og $10,000 sa partnership para ipalit sa mga supplies para sa ilang business. And if ang supplies is na-damage, nawala o na-destroyed, opposite siya sa non-fungible, which is dani ang partnership mao'y responsible para sa loss or damages dili ang partner B nga nag-contribute. So overall, kani siya nga article is giklaro niya ani kung kinsa ang responsible para sa mga losses related sa property nga gi-contribute sa partnership, para ma-ensure ang fairness and clarity sa mga event para sa mga unforeseen circumstances.